Wildfires are nature's most destructive force, capable of wiping out entire ecosystems in hours. These uncontrolled blazes, often sparked by lightning or human activity, thrive in dry, windy conditions, spreading rapidly across forests, grasslands, and even urban areas. While wildfires can devastate communities and wildlife, they also play a natural role in rejuvenating ecosystems, clearing old vegetation to make way for new growth. However, climate change has intensified their frequency and severity, making them a global crisis. From the Amazon rainforest to California, wildfires remind us of nature's power and the urgent need for sustainable environmental practices.